You need this hair protein on your hair every single week. If you have a damaged hair, or you're a type that have this hair always breaking and falling out, you need this. I use this on my hair every single week after I realized the benefit and importance of adding protein treatment to your hair. Hello fam, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Stacy here again. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys 4 ingredients that I use in making this absolutely beautiful protein mask. It is a must use, especially for the 4C and 4B type. Okay, and it can be used on both natural and permed hair. It does not have where you cannot use it. Okay, so the first ingredient we use is aloe vera. The second one is banana. Okay, I used both the fruit and the back of the peel of the banana, the both together. I blended all together. Okay, because we have important nutrients and the peel of banana that is very, very essential for the hair. We added avocado to the mixture. Avocado is also very, very important when it comes to the hair. It's because of its the availability of vitamin E on it, and vitamin E plays a huge role on our hair. Okay, so we added just half of an avocado. Okay. After cutting all together, it was time for us to blend this. Actually, I use my little blender for all, so it is always very, very difficult to blend all together. So I had to blend it bit by bit, but the bit by bit was quite a work because the avocado was not that ripe, so it was, and the banana too, so it was a bit difficult blending all together. So if you want to make yours, I'll advise you to please get the properly ripe one. I added a bit of olive oil to the mixture because I wanted it a bit smooth, okay, and oily. Okay, that was the reason why I added the olive oil to the mixture. I blended it, but seriously, the blending wasn't an easy one. It wasn't an easy one at all. So I advise you, when you're going for your banana, your ingredients for your mask, try getting the very soft one to save you from all this drama and stress. Then the last part was blending the aloe vera and the egg together. Okay, the mixture was quite beautiful. It looked like a smoothie. So after that, we have to mix all together because we didn't blend it together. So it's very important making sure that all the ingredients is it's mixed together before we can start the application. it's the application time, guys. I actually take my time to make sure I apply it from the root of my hair to the tip of my hair, and most of the time I leave it to sit the whole day, okay? But if I'm in a hurry, I leave it at least 3 to 5 hours, but I prefer it sitting overnight, like sleeping with it on my hair. Thank you guys for watching to the end of this video. I so much appreciate you. My return viewers, you guys are awesome. Thank you. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you have not subscribed, the like button, and comment if there is anything you think that should be added or should be subtracted. Please, I am expecting your comments, I'm expecting your point of view on this. Thank you guys so much. Thank you. Love and light always. I'll see you in the next video.